Hey guys, it's open pants.
Swapping pans because our dumplings are getting stuck.
Gently.
Don't judge our dumplings, okay? We already had trouble with them before, finding the sheets.
Yep, funny too. And I was getting stuck at the bottom. Taking it off the edge. Yep. Oh good.
There we go.
There we go.
These ones aren't going to stick.
Seriously, you should have lost it. Yeah, then get it plate and then put it in there.
And I was like thinking.
Look at that.
It's a lone dumpling. Chuck it in the bin.
Yep. Here we go.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye. I bet it will. What did I say?
What did you say bye-bye what? But I'll never see you again, is what you said.
No.
What did you say?
I said, take it. Take the pot
Well,
over to this.
put it in the bin. Okay, here we go.
She's tempted to do that.
I just don't want it to get stuck to the bottom of the...
And soon that.
I know it's going to be a pain. There we go, let it simmer for a bit.
And then we go back to the cooking. But it's almost done, so I have to pop off.
Everything's cooking good now.
Yeah.
We're happy.
We are happy.
Yay.
Radio. Part 4.